Hi, in previous lecture I discussed order of growth, how to compare different function order of growth with two example. Let's discuss third example. It was asked in GATE CS 1994. If n equals to n power 3 when n value is greater than equals to 0 and less than equals to 10,000. If n equals to n square when n value is greater than 10,000. Another function gn equals to n if n value greater than equals to 0 and less than equals to 100. Then gn equals to n power 3 if n value greater than 100. Now we need to compare fn and gn. When n value is greater than equals to 0 and less than equals to 100, then fn value is nq while gn value is n. Here it is written gn equals to n if n value greater than equals to 0 and less than equals to 100. And here nq if it is less than equals to 10,000. 100 is less than 10,000. So fn value will be nq. When n value greater than 100 and less than equals to 10,000, then what will be value of fn and gn? Fn value will be nq and gn value will be also nq. When n value greater than 100, gn is also nq. Then when n value is greater than equals to 10,000, fn value will be n square while gn value will be nq. You can see here fn is greater than gn, here both are equal, here fn is less than gn. And after 10,000 for every value fn function is less than gn function. N square is less than nq till infinite. When n value is greater than 10,000 and till infinite, fn value will be n square while gn value will be nq. So if you will consider threshold as 10,000, fn value will be less than gn value after 10,000. Before 10,000, fn value may be greater than gn or fn equals to gn. But after 10,000, fn value is less than gn. So here fn function order of growth is less than gn function. Next example, example 4. Some functions are given and it is asking write in increasing order. So for writing in increasing order, first identify which function is of which type. So there are two logarithm, one is log n, another is log square n. So log n value is less than log square n. So here I am writing number 1, here I am writing number 2. This number is for increasing order. Next is root n. Root n have higher order of growth than logarithm. So here I will write number 3. Next linear is present, n is present, here I will write number 4. Next linear plus logarithm, n log n present, here I will write number 5. Next n square log n square log n order of growth is higher than n log n. So here I will write number 6. Next n power n is given and 2 power 2n is given. 2 power 2n is exponential and n power n is factorial. Factorial have higher order of growth than exponential. So here I'll write number 7, here I'll write number 8. So first will be log n, next will be log square n, next will be root n, next will be linear n, next will be n log n, next will be n square log n, next 2 power 2n, next is n power n. This is the easiest way. Another way you can check through limit function. Another way you can substitute some value in place of n and you can compare. Let's see next example, example 5. It was asked in GATE CS 2000. Three functions are given. We need to write in increasing order. 3n power root n, 2 power root n log n and n factorial. N factorial order of growth is higher than these two. So n factorial will be highest order of growth. Now we need to compare these two. This is a polynomial and this is a exponential as 2 power. Normally polynomial have lower order of growth than exponential. But wait, Let's first simplify this. 2 power root n log n. 2 power root n log n, you can swap these two, 2 and n. Now n power root n log 2. Log 2 value is 1. Log 2 base 2 value will be 1. So n power root n. So from this we got n power root n, and here it is 3n power root n. So after simplification of this exponential, we are getting n power root n. Now from these two functions, n power root n and 3n power root n, this have lower order of growth and this have higher order of growth. So first will be 2 power root n log n. After simplification, we are getting n power root n. Next is 3n power root n. Next is n factorial. N factorial have highest order of growth, while 2 power root n log n have lowest order of growth. Let's see another example. Example 6. Some functions are given and we need to write according to increasing order. Here you can see one function 1 by n is given. 1 by 2 value is 0.5. 1 by n, that value will be less than equals to 1. If n value will be 1, then it will be 1. If n value will be 2, it will be 0.5. If n value will be 3, it will be 0.3, like this. So this value is surely less than equals to 1. And next, log n is given. Log n have higher order of growth than 1 by n. So first we'll write 1 by n. Second we'll write log n. And log n order of growth is less than root n. So next we'll write root n. Next there is one polynomial is given, n power 3 by 2. N power 3 by 2, that you can simplify as n multiplication n power 1 by 2. N multiplication root n. So here this n power 3 by 2, that you can simplify as n multiplication root n, and here just root n. So this n power 3 by 2 have higher order of growth than root n. So just write down 4 here. Next is two function is given. One is e power n, another is e power 2n. Both are exponential. E value is 2.7. So this is 2.7 power n, 2.7 power 2n. So this will be 5 and this will be 6. Let me check the answer. So first should be 1 by n, correct. Second should be log n, correct. Next, third should be root n. Fourth should be n power 3 by 2. Fifth should be e power n. Sixth should be e power 2n. Let's see another example. Example 7. It was asked in GATE IT 2008. Some functions are given and we need to write in increasing order. N power 1 by 3, e power n, n power 7 by 4, then n log power 9n, then 1.00000001 power n. E power n and 1.601 power n, these two are exponential. They have higher order of growth. Next we need to compare these three, n power 1 by 3, n power 7 by 4 and n log power 9 n. N power 1 by 3 you can rewrite as n cube root. Now just compare n cube root and n multiplication n power 3 by 4 and n log n power 9. So n cube root have lowest order of growth. Just write here 1. Then from these two, in both n is common, just cancel n. We are getting n power 3 by 4 log n power 9. From these two, this is logarithm and this is polynomial. Logarithm have lowest order of growth than polynomial. So this will be 2 and this will be 3. Next from these two, here 1.601 power n and e power n. E value is equals to 2.7. 2.7 power n have higher order of growth than this. So this will be 4 and this will be 5. So first will be n power 1 by 3. Yes. Second will be n log n power 9. Third will be n power 7 by 4. fourth will be 1.601 power n, and fifth will be e power n. Let's see another example. Example 8. It was asked in GATE CS 2008. Three functions are given. One is 2 power n factorial, and n power log n. Now we need to write in increasing order. This is a exponential, this is factorial, and this is polynomial. N power something, that is polynomial. Polynomial have lower order of growth than exponential, and exponential have lower order of growth than factorial. So Hn will be less than Fn, and Fn will be less than Gn, or you can say n power log n will be less than 2 power n, 2 power n will be less than n factorial. I discussed 8 example of order of growth. I think this much is enough. I solved by comparing functions according to its type. You can substitute some number in place of n and you can compare, or you can compare by the limit function. I just solve in the simplest way. You can solve whichever method you find easy. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.